Hello friends, hope you all are doing good today. So yes, today the recipe that I have come up with is an egg vada. Again, this egg vada, it's very simple. We just need a few ingredients, and for that, first thing what you need to do is you need to boil, 3 eggs, 3 to 4 eggs. You need to boil it and keep it aside. Hard boiled eggs, you cannot do it with soft boiled eggs, so you need hard boiled eggs, around 3 to 4, and then you need to grate and keep it like this. So I have grated it and kept it. Can you see? It should be like this. I've grated the egg. And next is again you have one carrot that I've grated, and these are the little masala and the kind of the things that go inside this recipe. First I have taken around two spoonfuls of the gram flour or the besan, 1 spoon of the same spoon, 1 spoon rice flour, then around 1 spoon of chili powder, a little bit of garam masala, salt, the cumin powder. So these are the little bit of ingredients that go inside this recipe. Then one medium sized onion and a little bit of coriander. And what I'm going to do is, I've taken one beaten egg, but in this I'm going to use only half of it, because normally what they tell is whenever you prepare any egg recipe, it tends to burst. So but normally it doesn't happen, but yes, just to bind it all together, we'll use just a little bit of egg, and we'll mix all the ingredients together. So let's go into the recipe. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Hema Havi Lifestyle Vlogs, and please do press the bell icon, and do share all these recipes with your friend, and you as well try this at home. These are very simple recipes, and the reason I have avoided the green chili is because normally kids won't like it. So that's the reason I have avoided green chili. I'm just taking chili powder. So again, salt and chili powder is as per your taste, you can take it. So let's get into the recipe. Yes, so now first what we'll do is we'll go ahead and add the carrot. All the carrot we'll add. Again, this, if you don't like too much of sweetness, you can reduce. Then we'll add the onion and the coriander. And then we'll add all the masala. That's again the gram flour. You have the rice flour, just 1 spoon, chili powder, garam masala, salt, and cumin powder. So everything will mix in, and we'll prepare a mixture. First what I'll do is I'll mix all these ingredients neatly. So mix it neatly first. If there is enough moisture, then there is no need of further you to mix the egg. So we'll just mix this. Alright friends, so I have prepared the patty, so the vada or the patty, the egg patty. And what I didn't use this egg because there was a lot of enough moisture inside the dough. So what I did is I have kept it aside. I'll just try to coat one of the vadas or the cutlets with this egg, and try to fry it. So I have taken I'm just going to do a shallow fry. So I've taken little oil in that. You have to the oil has to be on medium flame, and I have got around 5 cutlets or the vada, and around I can get another 3 more. So with 3 eggs and because I have taken more onion, so we can prepare around decently around 5 to decent sized around 5 to 7 egg vadas. So what we'll do, we'll get into the preparation. What we'll do is now we will take one patty, we'll just dip it bit in the egg. You can use, if you like a bit of crispiness, you can go ahead and use the breadcrumbs as well. So can you see, I've put that. This again tastes really well. These are all easy egg recipes that you can prepare, because now the kids are at home and they normally like to munch something in the evening. So these would make real good snacks and healthy as well. Keep it on medium flame. So again, just now we'll fry it. You need to fry this until golden brown on both the sides, and you can have it with any kind of a chutney that you like, or again any kind of ketchup or a sauce that you like. And even mayonnaise would do well. You can just try it with the mayonnaise as well. So you can see it's frying now. So both the sides, normally the first time what you do, you just don't try to flip it in a hurry. Let it cook a bit, otherwise it might break. So we'll turn it after some time. At least cook for at least 5 minutes on one side, and the other side as well, cook for 5 minutes. Alright friends, so see, I have turned it, and this is how it looks. Again, this other side also you need to cook it neatly. So what you can do is, don't keep the flame on high, because normally it won't cook inside evenly. So let the flame be on kind of medium, or little less than medium as well. So it will cook neatly on inside as well. It will become crispy, and the outer as well will become crispy. It's really nice. You can have this with bread normally, or you can go ahead and eat it as a sides for any rice varieties again. It will taste really well. So you can try this recipe. And friends, you would be wondering again that my videos are a bit kind of clumsy, because it shakes a lot and all, because I usually hold it in one hand. I hold the camera in one hand, and I cook it with the other hand. So maybe that's the reason it's a bit shaky. So I have tried it with a tripod and all, but it really didn't help me, because I'm not able to focus properly. So that's the reason I hold it in my hand. So I'll try to search for an alternative for that as well, so that the videos are not that shaky. And friends, even if you keep the flame very slow also, it will kind of take in a lot of oil. So that's the reason you try to keep it on medium, and it will take some time to fry, at least 5 to 7 minutes on each side you can fry, and it really comes out very well. Alright friends, so our cutlets are ready. The egg cutlets, or the egg vada you can call. It's ready, and I have put the next batch as well. So this tastes really nice. Please do try it at home. And if you like the recipe, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and do share this recipe with your friends. Thank you again.